student in a classroom here, and we had a really, really good experience with his time here. And once he moved on, I felt like this is where I wanted to be. The students obviously are great. We have a really, really fun group of kids. Beyond that, there's a lot of support here as far as a team feeling with the staff. The good thing about this school versus maybe like a bigger program, we get to know all of the students. We're currently looking for classroom paraprofessionals. You don't necessarily have to have experience. You come in and we can train you on what you need to know. It's a really good place to work.